Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito rin ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Scorpio at ang mga bago po nating mga viewers. Hihingi po ako ng malaking pangunawa sa inyo, Scorpio, lalo na sa iyo kasi alam ko na hindi ko nagawa yung video last time dahil nasira po yung video na ginawa ko para sa iyo. Hindi ko na maulit dahil po nagkaroon ako ng problema sa aking computer. Yun po yung dahilan kung bakit hindi po ako nakakapag-upload agad-agad at nade-delay po ang aking pag-upload sa YouTube dahil po sa aking mga hinaharap na technical problems po sa aking mga equipment. At hopefully po na maging maayos na po ito, ito na yung umpisa na maging maayos po yung aking mga pag-upload. At isa pa pong issue na I'm trying my best na magawan po ng paraan is to upgrade yung aking microphone kasi alam ko po na merong mga iba dyan na nagsasabi sa akin sa inyong comments na mahina pa rin yung recording or mahina yung volume. So I'm doing my best na ma-upgrade po yung aking equipment para ho naman maging maganda yung resulta ng aking mga recordings para sa inyo. Okay? So again, humingi po ko ng paunin, Scorpio, kung di ko nagawa yung video mo last time. Ngayon tignan natin kung ano yung message para sa iyo. I can't promise you anything. Okay? Wala akong maipapangako na kahit na ano para sa iyo. Okay? Ito yung parang sinasabi mo na doon sa tao na hindi ko alam. No, I don't know. Kasi you cannot say anything. You cannot promise anything. Kung ba parang wala kang, hindi ka sigurado. Diba? Hindi ka sigurado. You're not sure. Kaya hindi ka makabitiw ng salita o hindi ka makapangako sa tao mo. Kasi nga, meron ka pang doubt, no? Meron kang alinlangan para sa sarili mo o dun sa tao. Or, I think you're just playing safe na ayaw mo munang magbitiw ng kahit na anong sagot sa kanyang mga tanong. Kasi gusto mo magkaroon ng freedom or ayaw mo munang matali o magkaroon ng commitment or responsibility. Okay? In other words, ayaw mo kasing meron din siyang panghawakan o kaya yung mabigyan siya ng something to hold on to, or you don't want to have any false parang expectations yung tao sa'yo. Kasi kung hindi mo nga kayang ibigay yung pangako na yon o tuparin yung pangarap na yon o pangako na yon, mahirap yon, di ba? Alam mo masasaktan yung tao eh. Pati ikaw, masasaktan ka din. So let us see kung ano yung lalabas sa tarot para sa iyo, Scorpio. The Knight of Cups, Four of Wands, Eight of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. Bottom niya, Scorpio, is the Hierophant. I think it's very clear what yung message dito gusto sabihin, Scorpio. But let us go through each card, okay? So, yung first card mo dito, Scorpio, is the Knight of Cups. Ito yung energy na may offer of love. Sa nakaraan, in your past, somebody offered you love. O sabihin natin, may nangligaw sa'yo, nagpahayag ng kanyang pagmamahal. No? Sinabi niya na, I love you, Scorpio. And it is a beautiful thing, no? Kasi nakita mo naman na talagang wow, seryoso siya. Nakikita ko yung kanyang intention sa akin ay totoo. So, Scorpio, of course we know, Cups is a water sign. You might be dealing also with another Scorpio, or it could be a Cancer or a Pisces. Or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Now, ang nagiging, I think, was the challenge sa past was the Four of Wands. Or nagiging problem. Because the Four of Wands is something to do with proposal. A wedding proposal. Or something to do with planning for the future. Yung pagsisettle down. Getting married. No? Ito ba, kung gaba parang pinag-uusapan nyo na o nagkakaroon na ng a bit of planning, I would say, or kung gaba yung concept medyo napag-uusapan na, yung kung gaba yung relationship patungo na doon, something that is truly very serious, kasi seryoso to no? Hindi ka naman basta magpo-propose kahit kanino, di ba? For marriage? Of course not. You will do it only to the person that you truly love and want to get married. Di ba? Yung gusto mong makasama for the rest of your life. Hindi ka nagpo-propose or you don't answer a proposal kung hindi mo naman type talaga yung tao, hindi mo gusto. Di ba? So, this is something very, very serious to think about, no? To consider. And ano yung action to be taken? It has to be communicated. It has to be discussed thoroughly. Eight of Wands. Kailangan may communication. Kailangan pag-usapan. Kailangan meron tayong dialogue sa isa't isa. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng yung person mo lang na nagplano na oo, magpapakasal tayo. It has to be both ways, no, Scorpio? Pati ikaw, kailangan may input ka dito. I think most especially with you. Kasi the reading is towards you, no? This is for Scorpio reading. I can't promise you anything. So parang sinasabi mo dito, Scorpio, na hindi ako makakapangako sa iyo na kahit na ano. As if maybe your person have tried to make that proposal or discuss with you na gusto niya na magpakasal sa iyo. And yet your response was, I can't promise you anything. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Wala akong may papangako sa iyo. Or, you know, kung ikaw yung lalaki na Scorpio, and then napag-usapan nung sinabi ng babae na wala pa ba tayong plano mag-asawa o magpakasal, ganyan. Sinasagot mo is, I can't promise you anything. Wala pa akong maipapangako sa'yo. For whatever reason, Scorpio, maybe hindi ka pa handa, wala ka pang masyadong ipon, emotionally, hindi ka pa ganun ka-mature, financially, you're not ready, you still enjoy being single, mga ganun. Mayroon ka pang career path na gusto mo ma-fulfill being a single person. So many reasons, no? O meron ka pang responsibilidad sa inyong family, na ikaw may pinag-aaral pang kapatid, sinusuportahang magulang, That's why you cannot promise anything to your person, okay? Kaya nga, it is very important you communicate this. Mag-usap kayo. Alamin, ipaalam, okay? Now, of course, andun naman yung intention nyo na alagaan mabuti yung relationship, to really work on it. Work on it na eventually na matuloy itong pinaplano ng pagsisettle down. And the advice is, itong offer of love na binibigay sa'yo with the Four of Cups, I think you're trying to make that very, very important decision. You're trying to look at it, no? Pinag-aaralan mo and trying to compare that from your previous relationships. But your attention is more on this, itong malaking cup na to na nasa harapan mo, na alam mo namang worth, no? But again, it is a decision. No, isang malaking decision yan para sa'yo. Hindi pwedeng, pag nag-propose na si darling o si honey, nasabi mo na oo. Hindi ganon. Iniisip mo mabuti. Handa na ba ako pumasok dito sa serious relationship na to? The back of the card is the Hierophant. This is all about marriage, about relationship, about institution, about getting married. No? Ito yun. Settling down. Ito yung, I think it is all about really getting into that serious na pagsasama till death do us part, no? Very serious yun. Kaya, itong I can't promise you anything, it is really something na sa ngayon, parang sinasabi mo, na oo, mahal kita, I did offer that love, or I did receive that offer of love, but somehow, either you or your person is saying na hindi hindi siya makakapangako ng kahit na ano, or you cannot make any promises at the moment. Okay? For whatever reason, take it as it resonates, Scorpio. Okay, tingnan natin. Ba't andito yung Knight of Cups? We have the Six of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles. Okay, so yung offer of love na to is somebody from your past, Scorpio. With the Six of Cups, yung tao na to is somebody from the past, no, na bumalik siya sa'yo. Yung pagbabalik nito, this person from the past could be somebody from your childhood or from earlier days, maybe in your high school days or your college days or the first time you work or something like that. Or, sabi ko nga, it could be somebody from your past lifetime, no? Dating buhay, meron ka nakilala nun, then of course andito ka na sa yung bagong lifetime, sumunod din siya sa'yo because may unfinished business pa kayo, no? This is something that you are wishing for, a wish fulfillment, no? Nine of Cups. Maybe unconsciously you're saying, sana bumalik siya sa akin. Maybe, diba? Kasi dito siya And with the Two Pentacles, alam mo yung parang there is no comparison. The way I see this, there is no comparison at all with this person. Mahirap i-compare. This is an apple and this is an orange. So there's no similarity, di ba? Kasi except that they're both fruit, pareho silang prutas. Pero in terms of taste, di ba? Yung health benefits, etc. magkaiba pa rin sila eh. So, you are being asked, alin ba dito gusto mo? If you are dealing with two people, kasi maybe one is from the past, and then you have another one currently with you, parang naisip mo na, sino nga ba sa kanilang pipiliin ko? Kasi pareho nag-offer ng love sa'yo. O pareho mong gusto, no? If you're the guy. Let us see itong 8 of Wands. Bakit andito yung 8 of Wands? We have the King of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, what you need to discuss about is of course ito stability part, no? The King of Pentacles. Paano kayo in terms of your finances? Okay na ba kayo? Sapat na ba yung aking nasa bangko na naipon? Secure na ba ako sa trabaho ko? Do I see myself being promoted to a higher position in the future with this company? Yun yung mga tanong eh, di ba? Parang kaya nga yung King of Pentacles lumabas dito is for you to check yung stability na yun, yung security aspect, not just of course all financial but also emotional. Siya na ba talaga ang gusto ko? So with the Page of Wands, am I passionate enough for this person? Nagde-drive ba kami? Yung init ba ng pagmamahal na dapat ibinibigay sa isang tao, nasa kanya ba? Andun ba yon? Kasi, di ba? Siyempre, pag talagang gusto mo yung tao, passionately, you also feel that way, di ba? With all those questions, of course, magbabago kasi ito eh. Magbabago yung takbo ng buhay kapag nasagot mo itong dalawang to. When it comes to your money, stability, and of course, the passion part. Kaya nga kailangan pag-usapan, no? Pag-usapan mabuti. Because everything will change. Baka ma-discover mo later na hindi pa pala niya kaya financially na lumagay sa tahimik. Or pagdating sa, o sabihin natin, okay naman siya financially, but pagdating doon sa nararamdaman mo, no, that fire in you, ganun ba siyang kainit para sa kanya? Yung nararamdaman mo yan? Kasi importante yan eh, sa relationship. Hindi man enough yung may pera lang to and that's it, no? Of course not. There will be days or nights na talagang you need to express yourself passionately to your person para maramdaman niya yung pagmamahal, no? The emotional part. Eh, syempre, kung hindi pa siya handa dito sa mga tanong na to, mababago talaga yung takbo ng sitwasyon, no? The Wheel of Fortune will change. Diba? Yung ikot niya. Ba't andito yung 8 of Pentacles? Bakit andito yung 8 of Pentacles? You have the Sun, the 3 of Pentacles, and the Star. You are to work on this, no? Kung if you wanted na talagang maging successful yung relationship, you need to really devote your time and effort and love dito sa relasyon na to, sa tao na to, para magkaroon kayo ng kaligayahan, no? For the relationship to be successful and happy and sunny, and also to have harmony, no? magkasundo kayo. Magkasundo. Because that will be a wish fulfillment for you. It is a wish granted with a star. Okay? It is a wish granted. Kung gaba parang pag na-work out na ito mabuti. Bakit andito yung Four of Cups? We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so ngayon, bakit mo siya pinag-aaralan? Why is it taking you so long to make that decision? Because yes, matagal na, no? Matagal na yung ginugol na panahon, oras, atensyon, pagmamahal dito sa relationship na to para masabi natin na maybe it's time that you really need to settle down na kailangan ka na mag-settle down, kailangan na ka magpakasal kasi yun na lang ang kulang sa relationship dahil ang tagal-tagal na, long time coming, kung ba mabagal kasi yung takbo, no? Hindi nyo minadali. And you are really thinking about it. Ito na ba yung panahon? Is this the time to settle down? Which is really going back to here na I can't promise you anything. Para bang nagkakaroon ka talaga ng doubt or second thoughts, no? Kung talaga bang ito na. Kasi ang tagal mo mag-isip It is, parang pinag-aaralan mo pa rin hanggang ngayon. Kahit matagal na kayo, kahit alam mo namang ito yung tama na relationship, but siguro you don't want to make any mistakes at all. Kaya talagang sinisigurado mo lang na bago ka pumasok sa isang marriage is you wanted to make sure that this is the one. Diba? Bakit? Kasi I think it has something to do with this. No? Kung dalawa man itong tinitignan mo, kasi nga this somebody from the past, no? Na bumalik, na somebody na you felt na wish fulfillment to pag yung bumalik siya sa'yo. I think you are are you waiting for somebody to come back to offer again that love for you? Hindi ka pa happy dito sa current mo, Scorpio? Di ba? Parang kung titignan mo, what's holding you back? Bakit hindi ka makabigay ng concrete response or decision na yes, I'm ready to get married with you. Yes, I'd like to get married with you. Or I'd like to marry you. Parang hindi mo magawa pa something holding you back. Babalik ba itong person from the past? Scorpio? Babalik ba siya? Yes. Babalik siya. This is somebody much older than you. Siguro ito yung iniintay mo. Somebody na stable. Talagang kung gaba yung secure ka dito. Kasi emperor ito So kung gaba parang mas mature, mas manakaipon, maybe a boss, no? Somebody na mas older sa'yo, responsible, mga ganon. I think you are waiting for this person to come back to your life. The Emperor is a energy coming from an Aries, or may Aries siya sa kanyang chart. Pag bumalik ba tong person from the past, siya na ba yung pakakasalan mo? Scorpio? Siya na ba yung pakakasalan mo pag bumalik yung person from the past? Yes. Definitely yes. You will work on it na maging maayos yung relationship. you must be waiting for this person not to come back. Para yun yung ano mo, hindi yung, kung meron man isa pa, hindi siya. Kailan mangyayari ito? Kailangan magtatagpo yung person from the past. Tumalon kasi siya, no? Let me read about it. There are two cards that jumped. First says around June. Okay, tapos na yung June, so it will be sometime next year. And then the other card says distract yourself from the waiting game. Okay? Diba? Huwag mong intayin. Isabihin, maggawa ka ng ibang bagay para hindi ka naiinip mag-intay. Kasi nga sabi ko sa'yo, are you waiting for somebody else? Di ba parang sinasabi niya dito, oh, you're waiting for that person from the past. Para hindi ka mainip, Scorpio, gumawa ka ng something na may enjoy mo, na tumatakbo yung oras, hindi mo na malayan, andyan na pala siya, bumalik na siya. Kasi sa ngayon parang nag-iintay ka talaga you're waiting for this person to come back. Mahirap mag-intay sa isang tao o pagkakataon na you don't know when, di ba? Kaya para hindi ka na babangot or na wawalan ng pag-asa or sometimes na parang naiinis na, do something else to take your mind off it para pag dumating na hindi mo na malaya, ayan na pala siya, dumating na bigla without me parang knowing na ayan na pala, hindi ko akalain na ganun kabilis. Ano pa yung advice for Scorpio? Death, your card. I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. Okay? So, kung nagkaroon mo kayo ng ending before, itong person that you're waiting for, hudyat lang yan ang pag-uumpisa muli. No, it is a, kung gaba parang a cycle, the saying na, di ba, cycle, Wheel of Fortune, a cycle, na magkakaroon ulit ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Kaya siya natapos noon. If this person is someone from your past lifetime, kasi magkaroon kayo ng panibagong pag-uumpisa ngayon. Okay? So, just embrace the fact that if this person is coming back, of course, don't wait. Just do what you are doing. Continue doing what you're doing. Be busy. And then eventually you will just see or felt na andito na pala siya for you to start all over again. Okay? So kung kanino mga Scorpio itong na basa natin yung energy niya, sana nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.